In this video, I'll show you how to receive money with the MoneyGram app. It's very easy. There are two ways where you can receive money. The first one is if someone have sent money to your wallet, then you will be able to receive it over directly. So you don't need to do anything, and some few days you will be able to receive it over your wallet, and ultimately it will get deposited in your bank account. It's very easy. But if someone have sent you money for pickup, it means that you have to just go to a location. If I just click on this link, then you will be able to see all the locations right here. Let it just open. You can search your area and it will show that in which location it is available, and you can just go there and you have to fill up a form. After that, you will be able to receive your funds. So it is only for the physical cash. By the way, if you want to just track a transfer, then click on tracker transfer and it will take you to a new tab here, and you can find a location as well. If you tap on this, find a location. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to receive money on MoneyGram. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.